How to fix X app playback error. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, if your X application is showing playback error, the first thing you need to do is update your app. For that, head over to your Play Store and then simply search for X. If your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. And in case you see open, that means your application is already updated. In that case, leave that as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and then tap on apps. At the search bar, type in X, then enter. Tap onto your X application. Under usage, you will see storage. Tap onto storage, clear your cache. In case you remember your credentials like your username and password, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. Once done, come back onto App Info page, tap on Permissions, and make sure that you have allowed permissions for photos and videos. Tap onto it, tap on Always Allow All, come back onto App Info page, then lastly tap on Force Stop, then OK. Once you do all this, restart your device, get logged into your X account again, and this shall work. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.